Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share some solutions with you in order to solve the issue where your Battlefield 6 is not working, crashing or not launching in Xbox. The first solution you can try is to clear your console cache with full power cycle. Like in this, you need to turn off your Xbox completely, unplug the power cable for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and start your console again. The second thing you can try is to update your Xbox system software. For that, you need to open settings, go to system and select updates. Install any pending console updates, cause doing this sometimes helps many people. Then the third solution you have is to improve ventilation or check for overheating. Like you need to make sure your Xbox is not inside a closed cabinet, clean dust from the vents. If possible, plug the console directly into a wall socket instead of a power strip, cause due to these issues many people faces lags and that kind of stuff. So doing this should solve your problem. Even after trying first 3 methods, and if you're still facing issues, then the fourth method you can try is to remove the HD texture packs. In this, you need to go to my games and apps, highlight Battlefield 6, press the menu button, select manage game and add-ons and uninstall all HD texture add-ons. This is because many people or many players are facing crashes because of this. If it's possible, then you can also reinstall the game without the HD texture packs. Like you need to delete Battlefield 6, then reinstall it and skip installing the HD texture add-ons and add them if the game runs stable. Now guys, even after trying first 5 methods and if you are still facing issues, then you can reset your console settings if crashes continue. Like you need to go to settings, system, then select console info and choose reset console. Make sure to select reset and keep my games and apps option. So yeah guys, these were some solutions which you can try to solve the issue in your Battlefield 6 you're facing on your Xbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.